age verification in OS land. Did you know there's a double standard that nobody's talking about at the moment? And I went and tested this for myself recently with all of the shenanigans going on, and it was actually quite eye-opening and, dare I say, shocking and upsetting. Do you know that if you use a local account in macOS and a local account in Windows 11, if you're using the domain join workaround and not using a Microsoft account, not using an Apple account, both OSs ask your age at the moment 0 times? That's right. None of them ask you to confirm your age if you're older than 18 years old. Go ahead, try it yourself. So in macOS, you get your brand new Mac, you reach the Apple sign-in screen, you're like, no, skip that, and it creates a local account. No age, no date of birth, no nonsense. You're in, you have the full access, and Apple doesn't even ask you how old you are during your local setup. Amazing. Windows 11, okay. You basically, at this point, need to run around before you can get access into it, but they do have an escape hatch built into the installer. So if you choose set up for work or school and join domain, you can create a local account on your Windows 11 Pro Enterprise machine, and guess what? 0 age verification again. So I have to ask the frickin' question. If the trillion-dollar companies don't care, at least until now, and that Apple and Microsoft have been shipping operating systems used by billions, millions of people, and none of these require age verification for local installs, do you think that Linux needs to do better? Right? So we have that going on the one side, but in Linux, we have folks proposing age verification gates in Linux distro installers, ID checks before downloading ISOs, age-restricted access to package repos, and mandatory account creation with age proof. It's like things have completely and utterly flipped on its head, and it just makes no mistake. Now, yes, I know the other systems will probably have to do that at some point. I get it. But why is the Linux folks trying to get ahead of this before it's standard everywhere? I just don't get it. So spot the difference here. macOS, no age check. Windows 11, no age check. Linux, do people want age gates? Right? Hey, it's open source, it's free to download, but hey, you know, you need your ID check. What? For a couple of states and one country so far? Really? I mean, I just don't get it. And I really don't get why folks have been running to implement this on behalf. I get it if it's the distros themselves doing it, but folks, why? And the hypocrisy is absolutely wild. Folks have ignored Mac hasn't had age gates and local installs. Windows Pro has a bypass, and neither OS verifies their age. But now, folks, there's folks out there that are demanding restrictions on a free operating system. And I'm not even talking about governments, I'm talking about people that just accept this and want this. I just don't understand. So why it matters, it sets a precedent. Again, doesn't really protect anyone. It's just puppetry. It kills open source spirit because now we're adding additional barriers. And why are we not putting the same pressure then on the big players, only on the small players? So why are people trying to force it on Linux? Right? We need to be holding ourselves and the open source community to a higher standard than the companies that can actually afford it. So, folks, can we please stop cosplaying as security experts? This isn't going to protect anyone in Linux. It's just going to annoy everyone. Anyway, leave your comments below if you found this interesting. It'd be great to hear what you think. As always, thanks for watching and bye for now.